Hello everyone. In honor of the recent President's Day, we've decided to forego our usual craziness in honor of remembering a few of the Founding Fathers and other great leaders who helped make this country what it is today. Just sit right back, maybe learn a few things, and enjoy.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. And spiders.
Cut.
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip.
Nope.
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
And when the day is gray and lonely.
Stop that!
Be excellent to each other. And party on, dude!
That doesn't sound quite right.
I am your founding father.
No! Well, we're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky. Cut! Who said that?
Beauty school dropout. No graduation day for you.
What?
Hey, what are we doing?
Ich bin ein Berliner. The country sliding and biting at the quarter mile.
This is not working.
I didn't get the memo. Seriously, what are we doing here?
Sorry, folks. We'll try harder next time.